G'day, I'm Golly from the Weber Kettle Club Australia, and today we're going to cook a Texas-style brisket in the Weber Smokefire. So the first thing we're going to do is trim the hard fat off the brisket. So now that's done. And now I've got 1/3 of a cup of pepper and 1/3 a cup of salt. I'm going to mix that together and put it in a shaker and sprinkle it on. So today we're doing Texas-style brisket, so that means it's only going to be rubbed in salt and pepper. I like to give it a really generous coverage. So brisket is the holy grail of barbecue. And one thing you people shouldn't be afraid of is having a go. First thing you got to do is start out with a great product. This brisket here is about 4.5 kilos of point-end brisket. That's where you want to start with. No small 1 kilo, start with the best product you can afford. So now that we've rubbed it, we're ready to go in the smoker. We've preheated our smoke fire to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So now that the brisket's in the smoker, we're not going to look at it or touch it for 3 hours. After the 3 hours are up, we're going to have a look at it. We're looking for colour. We're after a deep, rich mahogany colour. And you know what? If after 3 hours you're not there, just let it go until you get the deep, rich, red mahogany colour. That's what is going to form your sensational bark on brisket. That's perfect. That's exactly the colour we're after. We're going to take this off and put it on a bed of foil.
Let's get one thing straight, it ain't about what you do for me.
At this point, we're essentially going to create a boat around the brisket. This will keep the bottom of the brisket moist and stop it from burning. This is going back on the smoke fire, and we're going to spritz it every half an hour.
Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey, honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah.
I like brisket because it's such a hard cut to cook, apparently. But you can just put it on and let it go and wait for it to be ready. Today's brisket was wrapped when it hit about 210 degrees. This brisket here didn't really loosen up until then. So we just left it on the smoke fire until it probed like butter. We put our temperature probe into the meat, and when there's no resistance, that's when it's done. Just goes to show you don't cook to temperature or time, you cook to feel.
Hey, honey, coming home. Don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home. Don't know why I've been gone so long.
Okay, the brisket's been resting for about 2 hours, wrapped in foil and in an esky. We're going to open it up and see how we've done.
Don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Hey, honey, I promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do.